Handyman for the Average Man, and today's video is going to show you how to unclog your toilet. Stop! Before you go on to the next video, you should know that a subscriber requested this video not too long ago. So, comment below if you have a video request you want to see. Alright, keep watching. Alright, so when you clog a toilet, the first reaction is to grab a plunger. That might not be the best solution. What you need a plunger for is when you have something that needs to go down the piping. So, like waste. You don't want that out, you want it down. So that's why you want to use a plunger. But there are some circumstances where you don't want to use a plunger and you want to use one of these. This is a 3-foot toilet auger, okay? And this is what it looks like. Alright, so a toilet auger is actually going to go down through the entire piping of the toilet and into the piping line, and it will actually retrieve something that's lodged in the piping, the plumbing, that shouldn't be there. I have a funny story to share with you after I demonstrate how to use this toilet auger. Okay, so with the toilet auger, what you want to do is you have this little hook here on the end, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to simply make sure you, first off, pull it tight so that this boot, this curved piece, is at the bottom, okay? So you put this hook into the bowl, just so it's resting right there. Once it's resting there, you're going to push this wiring all the way through until it stops. Okay? Okay, once it stops, that's as far as you can go. That probably means you are up against what's clogging or lodging the line. And then you're simply going to twist and turn, okay? And then it's going to be able to go all the way down. Okay, so then you can simply pull this out and retrieve the line again, and then you pull your hook out, and believe it or not, whatever is lodged in the line will come out. So my funny story about this, we have a 3-year-old toddler who likes to get into things, and simultaneously around that time we lost our Fire Stick remote, and so we didn't know where it went. Where is that remote? We just had it and it just disappeared. Looked in the couches, couldn't find it, looked everywhere, couldn't find it, and then all of a sudden this toilet seemed to get clogged. Stopped working and didn't think much of it, just thought, you know, someone went to the bathroom, I went to the bathroom, you never know what happens. And I ended up buying a toilet auger because the plunger wasn't working, and a second Amazon Fire Stick remote. And lo and behold, found this bad boy in the toilet. This is probably the second one and the clean one. But this was actually in the toilet lodged. And without this toilet auger, this thing would have been jammed in the pipes. But this thing, I'm telling you, it's amazing. This will actually grab onto the items and it'll come out with it. So there you go. That is the reason to use a toilet auger. And also that's how to use a toilet auger. So there you go. That's what a toilet auger is and how you use one. Very simple tool, but very much needed. If you liked the video, found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and comment below. I want to hear from you in the comment section of what's the craziest thing that you found in a toilet, and it can't be from a human. Let's keep this clean. All right. So no dirty comments, but seriously, I want to know what's the craziest thing you've had in your toilet. That shouldn't have been there. Comment below. As always, I'm a handyman for the average man. Take care. Bye.